Hi, in this video we are going to discuss how to find the area of a triangle using trigonometry. So here, to find the area of a triangle, we need two adjacent sides or two sides and the angle connecting those two sides. So for example, to find the area of a triangle, we need any two sides. Let's say suppose these two sides are given. If these two sides are given, the angle connecting them, that means the included angle. So the angle connecting these two sides is this particular angle. So if we have that angle and the two sides given to us, then the formula to find out the area of a triangle is A times B times sine theta divided by 2. So here the question is to calculate the area of the triangle. So we need to first of all check whether the two sides and the angle connecting those two sides is given. If it is given, yes, we can use the formula. And an additional information, let's say that if we have a triangle and two sides are given, let's say that these two sides are given, and if the angle connecting them is not given, instead of that, an angle over here is given, then we cannot use area of a triangle formula. We can only use the area of triangle if two sides and the angle connecting those two sides, which means this is the angle that is connecting the two sides. We say this angle as the included angle. That is the mathematical term. So area of a triangle, formula I have written A times B times sine theta divided by 2. This can be used only if two sides and the included angle connecting those two sides. Can you see this angle? It is connecting the side A and the side B. That is why we say included angle. Here also, if you take this example, you have both the side A and B given, and here in this case, the included angle. This is the included angle, the angle that is connecting both A and B. Now let's come back to this question. To calculate the area of the triangle, we have the two sides given, that is 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and 60 degree is the included angle. 60 degree is the angle that is connecting both 6 and 7. Now I'm going to use the formula area of the triangle. Area is equals to A times B times sine theta divided by 2. So A is 6, B is 7 times sine theta is 60 in this case. So sine 60 divided by 2. Let's put this in a calculator. 6 times 7 times sine 60 divided by 2, which will give us 18.186. So centimeter, this is in centimeter, the unit is in centimeter. So centimeter square will be the unit for the area. Now, if you want, you can round it 18 point to one decimal place. Check the second decimal place. More than 5. If it is more than 5, you add 1. So 18.2 centimeter square will be the final answer for this particular question. Now, let's try one more question. I'm just going to erase this. Here we have one more question to find the area. So let's see. The two sides, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. is given. Now, as we know, it should be the included angle. Included angle means the angle connecting both the sides. Let's check. 79, yes, 79 is the included angle because 79 is connecting both the sides given in the question. So let's directly substitute in the formula. Let's take any one of them as A. The other one will be B. You can take A as 8, B as 10 or A as 10, B as 8. It will give you the same answer. And now theta, you take theta as 79. So area of a triangle using trigonometry. So area of a triangle formula is A times B times sine theta divided by 2. So A is 8, B is 10 times sine theta is 79 divided by 2. Let's put the whole thing in calculator. 8 times 10 times sine 79 divided by 2, which will give us 39.265 centimeters square. We can round it off as 39.3 centimeters square because here the digit is more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, you can add 1. So 39.3 centimeters square will be the final answer. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.